All right, I don't know where that left off, but I just really quickly made some Father's Day cards. So here's the next one with some more of those stickers and a shaker. And then here is another card. This one I did kind of wonky. I don't know. It just, the paper was not working for me very well. It wasn't straight, but I don't think they care as much. And then this is the last card that I made. And those are on some stickers, or pop dotted. So those are all the cards that I made. Now let's go into the layouts. So I am going to block out some of the pictures just because they are little ones and I don't know if the parents want their faces shown. So this is the first layout right here, and it is called Joke House Date Night. And you can see I used like the little people. I used some of my stickers and just, whoa, there we go. Used one of those little stickers again up, the 8-ball, and those stickers. So that's one. This one right here is probably one of my favorites. It actually has a shaker with it. This is using one of those, it's actually like a big card, but I only used half of it. So I just used that. Best day ever. There's some of the balloons from the dollar store stickers I have, and then a whole bunch of border strips and just like strips of paper. But I really love how this one turned out. This one right here is probably one of my favorites. I just love how these, like, it came out, and sorry that I had to cover up, but like I said, privacy reasons. I used some of those stars and then the felt stars, and down here just some flare and just some more little stars. Just probably one of my favorite layouts out of all of these. And then this one I'm covering up the invitation because I used that for this 2-page layout. This is for a baby shower, so you can see I have the some of the arrows. I actually added some more stickers, and then I actually made these little, punched out these little bow ties, and then put little like yellow bling on them. And so just a really simple grid layout, just using some of my stash up. And I also incorporated the thank you note that they gave us because I like having those. And then this is probably another one of my favorites. Not gonna lie, I love this one. I thought it was gonna be too much at first with just like the borders and like the just everything, but I just love it. And so this is called All You Need Is Love, and it's love and rock and roll. And this was when me and Brandon went out on a date night. Actually, in the first layout this was like the same night, but it wasn't a concert, but I just love just being, we went to, it was for a local radio station, and it just, I don't know, I just love it. I love the vibe of it. There's those little punches and just all over. Love this one. And then this was a felt sticker that I had forever, but used it all up. I'm pretty happy with what I got done. Granted, I've been busy, but a couple layouts and a couple cards worked out fine. So I hope you all are enjoying your summer, and I hope that you have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!